Hi guys. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you how to sign up for the class using McGraw-Hill Connect because I'm getting a few folks saying that they're having trouble and I'm not sure why. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I would be doing this. So after you hit the link that I gave you in iLearn to join the course, you have to follow that link. Okay, I'll show you that in iLearn again in a second. You go ahead, you log in. You'll have to make up a password, give them your email if you don't already have a password, and they give you these options. Now, I don't have an access code. I'm recommending that you go ahead and grab this version. If you want the ebook, they'll charge you another $40 on top of that. That's where I was coming up with that 170 number before, so you can go with this option. But I'm not going to do that because I already have the access. I don't want to pay for it here. But I'm going to do this temporary access. Hit access now, confirm. Okay. And they say success, go to connect. And when I go to connect, okay, no assignments are due in the next 7 days. Fine. But let me go to my menu now and go to classes, Introduction to Financial Accounting. No, I don't want to purchase it now because I'm taking advantage of the free trial period. But then there's the material. So I'm not sure what problem you may be having. I would suggest you use Google Chrome for your browser when you do that, and talk to McGraw-Hill Connect. Is all I can't help each individual through their own personal computer problems. So I'm not sure what the problem is, but it's working for me. That's all I can say. So if you still can't get in, you really need to push on McGraw-Hill Connect. In this environment where we're not meeting face-to-face, there's not a lot I can do to walk you through the process if you can't figure this out. But it seems to be working on my end. Okay? All right, guys. Good luck. I just want to add one more thing to that discussion that we were having on how to sign up for the McGraw-Hill Connect. So you have to click here. So it's under announcements, course URL. You click on that, and then that takes you to that login screen where earlier I had signed up for the free trial period. You can sign up for the free trial period now. Eventually, you're probably going to want to acquire the full package just so that you can go along with the homework and do those homework questions that are assigned for all the different chapters that I showed you a second ago. But again, it's working for me. I'm suggesting Google Chrome, and I'm suggesting that if you are just having trouble, you need to really talk to the McGraw-Hill folks and make them help you to figure this out. Don't take no for an answer. That's their job, is to make sure. And if you still are having problems, then I may have to call them and talk to somebody to say, hey, what's going on? You guys are stymieing my students from getting the material they need for this. But it seems to be working for me. Okay, McGraw-Hill Connect number is right there. Okay, they're there. They're supposed to be there to help you. And that's that same URL for the course that I clicked on in iLearn. You should be able to click on that as well if you wanted to. But that link I showed you over here in in the software in iLearn should be sufficient for you to be able to do what I just showed you. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.